We are now in July 2026. The total population living on our blue planet has exceeded 8 billion. For the vast majority of adults, daily life is filled with constant busyness, leaving both body and mind under various pressures. Here, I would like to ask, do you feel stressed? Where do most life stresses originate? Do others also experience stress? Are you looking for strategies or methods to relieve it? If so, congratulations, this video is perfect for you. Dr. Alan Elkin writes in a new book published in 2026, "You may think that modern advances in science and technology should have resulted in lower stress levels. Clearly, this hasn't happened for anybody. Life has become more stressful, not less. Your stressors may take the form of work pressures, financial worries, political issues, time constraints, the demands of new technology, or the responsibilities that come with being part of a growing family. You may have more specific stress triggers: illness, unemployment, loneliness, or a new mortgage." A Harris 2024 poll conducted by the American Psychiatric Association found that more adults are now feeling increasingly stressed. In that poll, 43% of adults said they feel more anxious now than they did the previous year, up from 37% in 2023 and 32% in 2022. The poll found that adults are particularly anxious about current events, 70%, especially the economy, 77%, the 2024 U.S. elections, 73%, and gun violence, 69%. It is evident that stress is a common issue for many individuals. It is widely recognized that various methods can be employed to mitigate the adverse effects of stress on both psychological and physical health, such as practicing yoga, meditation, listening to relaxing music, and engaging in regular aerobic exercise. In addition, this channel will continue to produce a series of videos on stress relief and relaxation techniques and methods related to standing meditation, seated meditation, China Qigong, Tai Chi, and other topics for viewers to watch. Today's video marks the first installment in this series. Its distinctive feature lies in incorporating a subtle vocal introduction alongside relaxing music, allowing the music to directly resonate with the mind and exert effective relaxation benefits, thereby significantly reducing the negative impact of stress on both mental and physical health. The theme of today's video, relaxation music, is to immerse the mind in a natural, harmonious, peaceful, and soothing environment, providing an opportunity for the soul to breathe, alleviate stress, find tranquility, ease tension, and experience joy. All right, I hope you are fully prepared. Let us begin. Section 1. The soothing rhythm resonates harmoniously with your heart rate. The soft harmonies dispel inner restlessness, while a few crisp, bright high notes infuse your heart with fresh vitality. Section 2. The steady, flowing melody aligns effortlessly with your cardiac rhythm. Its gentle tones wash away emotional agitation and melancholy. Section 3. The progressive intervals inject new energy into your heart, while the slight rise in pitch activates inner vitality. Section 4. A gentle melody soothes a once turbulent soul, casting fatigue and weariness far behind. Section 5. The soothing rhythm, accompanied by a soft cadence, features a series of bright, luminous notes that subtly awaken the latent potential within. Finally, may our soothing music and heartfelt vocals gradually resonate within you, easing all pressures and discomforts, nurturing your spirit, and empowering you to set off anew with renewed ease.